In front of me is Motorola Moto G77, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called System. When you're ready, select Keyboard, on-screen keyboard, and Gboard. Now tap on this section called Corrections and Suggestions, and last but not least, use this switcher next to autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can switch it off or turn it on. Quick tip: if you decided you do want to use it, tap on it on the left and decide if you want to enable or disable this option called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace. Personally, I think it's making using autocorrection better, but if you won't like it, you already know where to switch it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!